Hey guys, welcome. Hey, remember those 16th items that I got for my Jeep? It was the cowl covers. Well, during that time also I got the light brackets for my lights, and here it is. This is the light bracket that I got also for my Jeep, and it covers up the cowl that's right here, but this is the light bracket that I got. Just wanted to show you guys that's also items that I also got for my Jeep is the light brackets. I like these type because it covers, as in, you know, makes it look heftier. It's solid steel, but yeah, it holds up my lights, and there's mounting points here, here, and here. So that's why I like about them, those light brackets for my Jeep. All right guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time, I'll show you more of what I got. Peace.